I think rather than going ahead and creating new videos for something I've already done, what might make sense is for you guys to simply go onto my channel, and from here you should be able to find my Python 3 tutorial. I did it years ago, but it's kind of tailored to this level. So you can obviously go and find other stuff on YouTube, which is really amazing. But it is here, it's called Super Basic Python 3 Tutorial 2022. So when you click on that, it's going to have, I think, 21 videos in there about the stuff that we've spoken about before. It doesn't have every single thing. I will be probably updating this at some point. So go ahead and watch this or go and find another one. But yeah, that's it, Python 3. Also, what I've done, I've created some Python files that I will be sharing as well that has examples for everything that was shown in the PowerPoint. So go ahead and download the entire folder, the entire zip file, and you should find some Python code in there as well. The numbering is a bit weird because I started numbering it normally, but then in my own Python environment where I do stuff, I had 160 something programs. So I just continued from there. So the numbering is a bit weird, but the file names describe what the thing is supposed to be doing.